Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with a few essentials and then start the transfer. Make sure both iPhones are charged and on Wi-Fi, update to the latest iOS, and sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, turn on the new iPhone and place it next to your old one. You'll see the quick start screen. Follow the on-screen animation to pair devices, then authenticate with your passcode or Face ID. This starts the encrypted device-to-device transfer, so your settings and data move directly. You'll now control what transfers and watch the middle steps. Choose between direct device transfer or restoring from an iCloud backup. Direct transfer moves everything faster for large local data, while iCloud Restore relies on your cloud storage. Once transfer begins, keep both phones unlocked and plugged in. Do not interrupt Wi-Fi. Apps download in background and photos and messages sync progressively. If you need specific app data, check app settings or sign in again. This ensures continuity for accounts, passwords, and in-app content. You're at the finish line. Complete required sign-ins for Apple Pay, iMessage, and any banking or email apps. Once the new iPhone shows the home screen, make sure iCloud Sync finishes so photos and health data complete. If something goes wrong, first restart both phones and try Quick Start again. If that fails, use an iCloud backup or wired transfer via a Mac/PC. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and enough iCloud storage. These fixes resolve most interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.